Jai Shri Ram ji, hello friends. This is Tarot Card Reader Astrologer Anu, and today I am going to talk about your extramarital affair. So I hope you all are doing very well. And in this video, I am going to use both the languages English and Hindi. This video is specifically for those are in NRI, those are in Australia, and my outsider viewers. Those are watching me from out of India, like Australia or Canada or so many other places, and they don't know about language of Hindi. But I believe my Indian is Indian users, Indian I can say users, not particularly users. I can say my Indian viewers, my Indian subscribers, they are very much be able to understand both the languages English and Hindi. तो ये वीडियो उन लोगों के लिए है जो लोग थोड़ा सा आउट ऑफ इंडिया में है या जिनके पार्टनर आउट ऑफ इंडिया में है, जो लोग इंग्लिश नहीं हिंदी नहीं जानते, तो थोड़ा सा ये उन्हीं लोगों के लिए वीडियो बना रही हूँ बिकॉज आई नो दैट दे आर कीप आस्किंग मी कि मैम कुछ वीडियोस बीच बीच में आप इंग्लिश की डाल दें तो बहुत अच्छा है. तो इट इज़ जस्ट माई सिंपल I'm really trying my best to give some guidance to them. तो ऑल आई कैन से इज़ कि अगर आप इंडियन यूज़र हैं और इस वीडियो में आए हैं तो इस वीडियो में आपके लिए भी कुछ ज़रूर हो सकता है. देश काल परिस्थितियों का थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखें. टॉपिक वुड बी समवेयर सेम, करंट एनर्जीज या फीलिंग्स कुड बी सेम डिस्पाइट ऑफ जो भी आपका देश काल परिस्थिति. बेसिकली वेर एवर यू आर आउट ऑफ इंडिया, दीज थिंग्स ऑफ regarding anything like love relationship is are different. So love is all about the love, but sometimes you are staying in India is a different thing, but you are in out of India is a different thing. So this is called in desh kal paristhiti. Basically this is related with your place where you are staying, and this is also related with the time, the scenarios and all this, whatever you are facing and all this. So all these readings are absolutely general. Do not take any kind of an action or any kind of a step towards your partner or your loved and your dear ones through this reading, because it is simply general reading. All zodiac signs collective reading, timeless reading. So today's reading topic is your simply partner's current energy, and this is in the extramarital affair. Okay, so let's see what is in your partner's mind in extramarital affair, what your partner is keep thinking about you in extramarital affair. तो लेट्स सी कि आपके पार्टनर एक्स्ट्रा मैरिटल अफेयर में आपके लिए क्या देख रहे हैं. आप वीडियो को थोड़ा सा इंग्लिश और हिंदी करके देख सकते हैं और स्किप भी कर सकते हैं. सो लेट्स सी. You know what, some of my South Indian clients, or I can say South Indian viewers, they are also looking for some English videos so that they can really understand, because they don't know language. So there is no problem, sky is limit. So don't worry, I am going to give the guidance in both the language. So let's see. तो सबसे पहले देखेंगे आपके पार्टनर की करंट एनर्जीज क्या है. बट उससे पहले let's see first what is in your energy so that you can really connect with the video. Okay, so let's see my viewers, my subscribers, what is in your energy. All right, you just keep thinking about your career, your emotional happiness. Secondly, you just keep going with the light-hearted approach, specifically in extramarital affair, and if you are in no contact situation with your partner, your energy is just keep awareing with the unfairness of your partner. So possibilities are there that you are somewhere aware of what your partner is thinking in a negative way about you, and at the same time there is some politics type of energies you are also having, which you want to do in any kind of negative situation in front of with your partner. That this particular energy doesn't mean that you are you are having something negative in your mind, but yes, if there is anything negative in your situation, then you're really ready to manipulate this situation in a wise manner. This is what I see in my viewers energy. So whatever resonates you, just keep it, otherwise simply leave the rest. And you are in a no contact situation, and because of this thing, this is the major arcana card. What I see is you feel always alone at this particular time, because your partner may be not talking to you, and at the same time your partner without your partner, you just keep looking the things very carefully. that what is right, what is wrong, and what is really happening around me. So this is what I see prominently in my viewers energy. And last, you really love your partner. You genuinely believe that your partner loves you, and you really, are not be able to handle this unhappy situation in your relationship just because you are in love with your partner. If I talk about the zodiacs, I see all the zodiac signs are there: Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, all the, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, all the zodiac signs are there. Specifically the Gemini I really see very prominently. And I also see, if you are Gemini, there is some kind of negativity is also running in your mind towards your partner, just to have your partner with you. This is what I also picked up in the energies. But that energy is like everything is fair in love and war type. So this really depends, what has really resonated with you and what is exactly is really there. Despite of this is general energy. तो अगर मैं मेरे इंडियन व्यूअर्स के लिए बोलूँ, और दोज आर बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड दी हिंदी, और अगर आप एक्स्ट्रा मैरिटल अफेयर में हैं और इस वीडियो में आए हैं, तो आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग इन दिस वीडियो। तो यहाँ मुझे ऐसा दिखाई देता है कि आपके पार्टनर और आपके बीच में सबसे पहले तो पैसे का कंसर्न आप लोगों के दिमाग में है, मनी। सेकेंडली, आप लाइट हार्टेड अप्रोच से इस कनेक्शन को लेकर चलना चाहते हैं। थर्ड इज देयर इज समथिंग इज इन योर माइंड विच यू आर रियली रेडी कि आप अपने पार्टनर को कैसे जो है सॉर्ट आउट करोगे, उसके इससे होने वाली प्रॉब्लम्स को कैसे सॉर्ट आउट करोगे। हाँ, प्यार है, ठीक है, बहुत सारी तकरार है, लेकिन प्यार है, और आप दोनों एक दूसरे के साथ नो कॉन्टैक्ट सिचुएशन में हो, एज आई सी। नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट एल्स। There is a little bit guilty in your mindset. Whatever had happened, might be you did something wrong, or maybe in the extramarital affair, if you believe someone and then after this person somewhere cheated, then possibilities are also there that there is something wrong in your, own mindset, that what the hell I did. So this is kind of guilty mindset I also see for my viewers. Now let me see. And you know what I see is this energy is somewhere mirror towards your partner. So maybe possibilities are also there that your partner also loves you, but at the same time he's manipulating the truth, he's manipulating the feelings, and at the same time your partner is also facing the guilty, what the hell I am doing, because he or she, whatever, whomsoever, my viewers, my subscribers, those are watching me, is really looking this thing, what is really is happening with him or her, बेसिकली विद यू। तो आप लोगों के साथ अचानक से ऐसा क्या एनलाइटमेंट आ गया, आपके पार्टनर इस बात से डरे हैं। सो योर पार्टनर इज हैविंग दिस काइंड ऑफ अ स्कैरीनेस और इनसिक्योरिटीज इन हीज और हर माइंड, दैट वॉज इट वॉट इज हैपनिंग विद यू, हाउ कैन यू बी दैट क्लियर विद योर another steps. And a little bit energies is also mirroring with each other, reflecting the both of you towards each other. Now let's see what is your partner's current energy. Okay, your partner is keep thinking about you. Okay, your partner is not ready to take any decision against you or in your favor. Now he is in stuck situation, or she is in stuck situation. He is having the break heart. You, basically my subscribers or my viewers, love your partner, but your partner hurt a lot because of his or her own behavior. He is in so much isolation. आपके पार्टनर के दिमाग में आप ही चल रहे हो, ना तो कोई डिसीजन ले पा रहे हैं, ना ही किसी तरह का इस आइसोलेशन से बाहर निकल पा रहे हैं। इन्हें अब तकलीफ़ है, इन्हें दिख रहा है कि अब इन्होंने दिल तोड़ा है तो टूटा है। योर पार्टनर वॉन्ट जजमेंट whether you want to continue in this relationship or not. This is what his prominent thought at present, but that doesn't mean if you say no or if you say yes, then this can really continue and this can really stop. This is what his current feelings or energies. तो आपके पार्टनर ने इस कनेक्शन में कोई डिसीजन लेना चाहते हैं, बट प्रैक्टिकल अप्रोच से वो नहीं देख रहे हैं, ठीक है। he doesn't have or she doesn't have that practical approach, and he or she is absolutely aware of how much adorable person you are, no matter you are male female, but this is what your partner is thinking. Completion energies is also there, that your partner is absolutely be able to understand this is absolutely completed energies, and your partner doesn't think, and he or she doesn't realize how much pain he or she caused you, and this is why you are in under guilty, and possibilities are there that your partner believes that you are doing some kind of a manipulation, although you don't, but maybe your partner does believe the same. So yes, insecurities, your partner believes in insecurities, and there is some money matter also. If your partner have shortage of money, your partner may ask some of money to you, so be a little careful regarding the same, and he or she doesn't, this means this person is somewhere emotionally insecure. तो आपके पार्टनर के बीच में अगर पैसे का कोई लेन देन नहीं है तो आपके पार्टनर आपको लेकर इनसिक्योर हो सकते हैं। एंड एट द सेम टाइम एक्स्ट्रा मैरिटल अफेयर में यहाँ बहुत क्लियर दिख रहा है कि आपके और आपके पार्टनर के कनेक्शन में बहुत क्लैरिटी दिख रही है इस बात की कि चीज़ें आपके पार्टनर को समझ आ रही हैं कि अब कंप्लीट है, कहीं ना कहीं उनकी गलतियों के नतीजे यहाँ तक पहुँच गए हैं। ठीक है, आपको भी कभी कभी लगता है मैंने क्यों कर दिया, गिल्टी पैशन आपके लिए भी तरफ से दिखता है। लेट्स सी इन द लास्ट व्हाट एल्स कार्ड्स वांट्स टू टेल। Still anyone wants to come last time? Okay. All right. There is some changes are definitely there by your partner's side. Your partner is keep thinking about you, but here is, let me see what. There is two-party extramarital situation, so there is another, maybe one male and two females. I really see prominently in this connection, and maybe your partner is a little bit insecure about you, and at the same time your partner is also thinking that might be there is someone else in your life. If you are married, if you are despite of looking for someone married or someone not, or the person, if your person is married, if your person doesn't marry, so this basically shows that you are handling or looking the person who is really dealing with two women. Maybe you are in extramarital affair and you are be able to understand that your partner is dealing you and his or her, his wife. Okay, so here is, I can say, your partner or the third party situation is absolutely there. Despite of this thing, possibilities are also there that there is two female one man and two man one female. Okay, so but prominent energy comes of two females one person. Okay, so यहाँ मुझे ऐसा दिखाई दे रहा है कि आप बिफोर मैरिज, आफ्टर मैरिज, वट एवर योर कंसर्न इज, आप जिस भी पर्सन को देख रहे हैं वो एक मेल हो सकते हैं जिनके इर्द गिर्द दो फीमेल हैं, और आप अपने आप से और अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड दोनों से परेशान है। बेसिकली योर पार्टनर इज गेटिंग स्टक बिकॉज ऑफ यू एंड योर और ही इज वाइफ ऑल्सो। दिस इज वॉट प्रोमिनेंटली एनर्जी कम्स। तो वट एवर रेजोनेट्स जस्ट कीप एंड रेस्ट लेफ्ट। तो यहाँ ऐसा बहुत क्लियरली नज़र आ रहा है कि आप दोनों के बीच में प्रॉब्लम्स यहाँ पर हैं, और एट द सेम टाइम आपके पार्टनर को लगता है बस ये क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं या क्या कर रही हूँ मैं, जो ये चीज़ें हो रही है। तो योर पार्टनर वॉन्ट्स टू गिव सम जस्टिस एंड वॉन्ट टू हैव सम जस्टिस इन हीज ऑल्सो और इन हर लाइफ ऑल्सो, राइट? एंड एट द सेम टाइम योर पार्टनर इज हैविंग लॉट ऑफ पेशेंस। हेयर इज ऑल्सो आई सी अ लिटिल बिट compromise, but lots of hurdles with lots of awareness. So possibilities are there that your partner is your karmic connection, and at the same time this person is keep thinking what I need to do to just clear out the things between both of you. तो आपके पार्टनर की एनर्जी क्या है? आप दोनों की तरफ एक दूसरे को क्लियर करने की एनर्जी है, एक दूसरे को समझने की एनर्जी है, कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ करने की एनर्जी यहाँ पर मुझे दिख रही है, बट इसमें बहुत सारा हर्डल्स है। ठीक है, so this is what I see in your partner's current energy. But yes, your partner is really hurt a lot, wants to have some travel, trust issues are there, changes is also there. This is what I wanted to explain. तो कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा है। चलिए अब देख लेते हैं कि आपके पार्टनर का नेक्स्ट एक्शन क्या हो सकता है। सो लेट्स सी व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट स्टेप ऑफ योर पार्टनर फॉर दिस कनेक्शन और रिलेशनशिप। लेट्स सी। सो व्हाट योर पार्टनर इज कीप थिंकिंग अबाउट यू। लेट्स सी। Your partner is keep thinking. This is what his next step. Maybe if you are female, then you are still thinking, and this is materialistic energies between you and your partner. तो आप अपने पार्टनर के बारे में सोच रहे हैं, आपके पार्टनर आपके बारे में सोच रहे हैं नेक्स्ट एनर्जीज में, नेक्स्ट स्टेप में या नेक्स्ट एक्शन में आपके पार्टनर के, बट एट द सेम टाइम इसमें मटेरियलिस्टिक चीज़ें इन्वॉल्व हैं। योर पार्टनर इज कीप थिंकिंग हाउ मच स्ट्रॉन्ग यू आर, बट एट द सेम टाइम यू आर समवेयर इमोशनल। तो आपके पार्टनर आपको सक्सेसफुल तो देखना चाहते हैं इस रिलेशनशिप में, बट उन्हें पता है यू आर वेरी इमोशनल, सो यू कांट हैंडल एनी काइंड ऑफ प्रैक्टिकल थिंग्स। दिस इज वॉट योर पार्टनर इज कीप ट्राइंग टू डू सो। ऑलराइट, ये कार्ड मैं लेना चाहती हूँ. योर पार्टनर वांट्स टू डोमिनेट यू इन द नेक्स्ट एक्शन. योर पार्टनर वांट्स टू कंट्रोल ओवर यू. He or she is keep trying to, manipulate you, and at the same time trying to let you understand as per his or her way, so that you can just simply follow. But ऐसा नहीं होगा आपके और आपके पार्टनर. This is not gonna happen if you are going to go with the little awareness regarding your partner's next step. So possibilities are there कि आपके पार्टनर आपको कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं, पर अगर आप थोड़ा सा गाइडेंस को समझते हुए चलेंगे तो आप कंट्रोल नहीं होंगे. ठीक है. Your partner wants to balance this connection, this relationship in extramarital affair. Your partner wants to, balance this relationship. पर आपके पार्टनर को ना ये भी समझ आ रहा है that you can't, dominate now this person. She or he is so much confident enough that he or she will not gonna dominate. Okay. Last but not the least, your partner will still is going to hurt you even in future as well, and at the same time your partner is absolutely confused between the two women. Look at this card. Absolutely, you can go with a picture. This is a male person and he is keep thinking about the two females. This is what I prominently see in the cards. So all I can say is big cross confirmation of your reading in the cards itself. So your partner is keep thinking in the negative, in the different way about you and the another one. तो आपके पार्टनर ही कंफ्यूज हैं कहीं ना कहीं. उनको समझ नहीं आ रहा कि इस कनेक्शन में इन्हें क्या करना चाहिए और इस कनेक्शन में क्या हो सकता है, कैसे इन चीज़ों को वो ठीक कर सकते हैं. इस तरह की एनर्जीज़ में आपके पार्टनर सोच रहे हैं. बट योर पार्टनर इज़ कीप ट्राइंग हीज और हर बेस्ट फॉर द नेक्स्ट इन कनेक्शन. बट डू नॉट ट्रस्ट योर पार्टनर ब्लाइंडली or easily. You should trust, you should give a chance if you really genuinely want, but be careful, be aware of. For rest, you can really connect with me for your personal reading. So let's see what is the outcome of this connection for today's energy at least, and general energies. So what is going to happen in the extramarital affair? What is there? Your partner wants to restart in a positive way. So possibilities are there in upcoming time. Any of a festival is there, your partner wants to celebrate that with you, and whatever it is like the cultural event or something. तो कुछ तरह का कुछ कैसा कोई कल्चरल इवेंट, कोई पार्टी, कोई कम्युनिटी, कोई पार्टी, कोई जैसे कम्युनिटीज़ में जो पार्टीज़ होती हैं, कॉलोनीज़ में जो पार्टी होती हैं, है ना, उस तरह की यहाँ पर मुझे वाइब्रेशन आ रही हैं. आप लोगों के ये क्या बात है, हो सकता है इफ़ यू आर इन द साउथ इंडिया, आई टोल्ड यू दिस इज़ फॉर स्पेसिफिकली दोज आर from the South India or out of India. Specifically, I see Ganesh Utsav, so possibilities are there. Whatever the obstacles in the next action, or I can say for further future, this particular obstacles is going to get vanish, and at the same time possibilities are there that your partner is going to have some kind of a positive blessings or positive events is really going to attend by both of you together. तो कोई उत्सव हो सकता है जो आप लोग अटेंड कर सकते हो. मे बी आने वाले टाइम में गणेश उत्सव हो सकता है. एनीथिंग यू कैन रियली हैव टुगेदर. लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, don't believe your partner easily. Again, there is a crap energy, trap energy, and also there is lot of emotions in which your partner doesn't ready to face you. So be a little careful and try to go with the happiness. But bottom itself says that you and your partner will be somewhere definitely together. तो कहीं ना कहीं आपने इजीली ट्रस्ट नहीं करना, बट एट द सेम टाइम आप बॉटम से जो मुझे नज़र आ रहा है इस कार्ड से, आप और आपके पार्टनर साथ हो सकते हो. फ्यूचर में किसी तरह का हैप्पी मोमेंट आप और आपके पार्टनर ज़रूर अटेंड कर सकते हो, या एक दूसरे के साथ ज़रूर हो सकते हो इस हैप्पीनेस में. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you may like this video, and also if you are my Hindi viewers, if you are really interested to go with the Hindi language, then you can also subscribe the channel. Most of the videos are in Hindi only. मेरी सारी वीडियोस हिंदी में ही होती हैं, बट ये उन लोगों के लिए हैं those are not be able to understand Hindi. This is why I am doing this reading in both the languages. I really hope somewhere you really like the video. So thank you so much for watching me. We will meet tonight 9 p.m. on this YouTube channel, your own channel, that is Tarot with Anu. I really am hoping that you will definitely going to share your thoughts in the live session. You can ask your questions in the live session to me, which is absolutely free. Personal reading is paid, and you can have my number in the description box. So thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.